Greetings, dear teachers. A warm welcome to the digital election experience in your school. Today, let's explore how we can use this Excel VBA app to simulate a real election process for our students. Let's understand the key features of this app step by step. One, login system. When the app starts, students can log in by selecting their class. Only after selecting the correct class will the next step become active. 2. Electronic voting machine, EVM, adding candidate names and photos. As soon as a user logs in, the EVM app opens. It gives the experience of a real electronic voting machine. After clicking on Settings, a password is requested. Once the password is entered correctly, all candidate labels become active. At that point, you can add candidate names and photos, then save the data. To operate the voting machine, first press the Enter key on the keyboard. 3. Green light and button activation. Once the Enter key is pressed, a green light appears. Only after the green light is visible do the voting buttons become active. After clicking on one candidate's button, all other buttons are disabled. Because each student is allowed only one vote. If the No Candidate button is clicked, it will not function. 4. Error handling and security. If a button is pressed without the green light, it won't respond. Similarly, if the settings button is clicked, a password is required. Only after entering the correct password do the next options become active. 5. Candidate details. This app allows you to enter the names, photos, and details of up to 14 candidates in an attractive format. It encourages transparency, clarity, and a sense of responsibility among students. 6. Viewing and printing results. To view results, click on the print icon. It will again prompt for a password. Once the password is entered, the candidate's name, rank, score, and photo are clearly displayed. During this time, the candidate's name and rank are also announced through audio. 7. Judged results, selected candidates. In this section, you can select different result display options. Option 2 1 boy plus 1 girl. Option 4 2 boys plus 2 girls. Option 6 3 boys plus 3 girls. In each option, the selected candidates' marks, ranks, and photos are clearly shown. 8. Clear data after printing. After printing the results, all data is automatically cleared. So that is ready for the next election process. 9. Applicable across multiple classes. This app can be used for classes 1 to 8. You can conduct separate elections for each class individually. In conclusion, this Excel VBA app is not just a technical tool. It helps students understand the meaning of democracy, respect the election process, and learn civic responsibility. Wishing your school a successful digital election experience. Thank you.